Okay, 40 minutes of cleaning the dog to get the soot from the kerosene heater off of the dog. And I also want to know if anybody has any answers of how to clean the walls and get the soot off of the walls safely so that it's not being absorbed back into my skin, or we're still breathing it while it's on the ceiling. And oh, I can't point to the ceiling right now. On the ceiling. And you can see some of it. I mean, here's what it looks like on the ceiling. There, like my daughter said, it looked like we painted the ceiling 2 different colors. Okay, that's what I started scrubbing on with a mop and a rag, and it just kind of smears it around. So if anybody has any answers on how to get rid of the soot left over from using the kerosene heater, please just leave me a message or a comment at the end of this video. Thank you very much. And for now, I'm just going to, I guess, take a mop and try to get the stuff off the ceiling. So this is what I've been doing to try to get it off. I don't know. It's drippy, time consuming, and I hope a safe way to get it off. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye for now.